So, guys, the first thing I want you to do before you go start promoting anything, you are supposed at least to know what's trending, what's working. Yes, you're supposed to know something about your niche. Where people fail from, they start and they just go posting even without making research, and you end up getting tired posting and making blogs or content that people are not even interested in what to watch. So, if you don't have money to pay for SEO tools that are going to help you, then what you do, you just come here on Google Trends. Yes, that's where our friend Google comes in. As you know, Google is a search engine that has been there for a long time. Then you come here on Google and search the topic that you want to talk about. As you know, nowadays everybody has a website, everybody has YouTube, and all these things need SEO to rank high. If you want to get more views on YouTube, you need to have the right keywords, and that's where SEO comes in. If you want your blog to rank high so that people can see it, you need the correct SEO to rank high. So when we come here on Google, we type in the word SEO, we are going to see that this word ranks higher. Yes, and people are searching for it, like they are searching for it. Yes, and guys, one trick that I want to give you, if you are in a country which is not like US, you can come here on Google Trends. Before you search, you change your country to US so that people from countries like US, Canada can view your content, because when they view your content, you get like good, you are paid good because of that, because people there, they have the purchasing power and they understand things of online. So you search according to US. Yes, you can come here and put in, if you want to search according to US or Turkey or anything, but me, I want to stick with US. So when we come here and see the word SEO, we see it has, since January, people have been searching for it, going all this while. So if you say, let me say, I put in for the past 5 years, people have been searching for this one for the past 5 years. Guys, don't go for something which is like of a trend. A trend will boost you high, and then after it will go, like now we are in the Christmas season. People are buying things for Christmas, but when it comes January, people are not going to buy the things for those Christmas again. But they are evergreen trends that you can work with, like every day. They are going to make you money on a daily basis, because people need those products on a daily basis for their business. If you come here and search like for the past 30 days, you are going to still see that SO is still ranking for the past 30 days. You can see the graph, it's still going high. It hasn't gone down. As you can see, of November 2024, oh, up to here, it's still ranking high, and it's going high even in December. If we come here and search for the past 7 days, we are going to see the same thing. So that's why you should pick a niche that is evergreen, or if you want to go into affiliate marketing, pick a niche that is always ranking, that if people can't do without it, people always want it. If we come here and search for the last past hour, we are going to see the same thing, guys. Yes, so we are going to see the same things, that the graph is not declining, going down, but it's just going up like that. So when you finish making research about what you want to go with, then you guys, the next step is finding the products that you want to promote and where you're going to promote them from. Yes, guys, and I'm going to give you products that are free to start, and those products, even for signing up, if a person comes up, the first product I want to show you guys, it's this one, which is called Audible. And if a person signs up for a free trial, just signing up for free trial, they are going to give you a certain amount of money, just free trial. Even if a person doesn't want to sign and stay in this program forever, but he just signs up, and for a free trial, you are going to earn some commission just for sending those people to this website. And this website is called Audible, and this website is under Amazon. Yes, it's one of the websites that Amazon runs. And if you want to start up with them, you need to sign up an account with Amazon, an Amazon associate account, so that you can promote this product. Then another product that you can promote with is Fiverr. Yes, and on Fiverr here, there are so many people who are doing SEO, like they can help you run your agents. And this is where how it's going to be good for you, because when people come here and they sign up on Fiverr, Fiverr is going also to give you a commission. As you can see, all these people, they are promoting SEO products, and you can promote these people. When you promote these people and the person comes and buys from them and uses your link, Fiverr is also going to pay you money for that for that person you've sent to them. Then another product that we are going to use is this product which is called Simraj, and it's also SEO rated. Yes, guys, you try to combine products that match. For example, let me say you want to go with the sleeping niche, you can do affiliate marketing with any niche. For example, if you are like, I want to do something about sleeping, then you will provide content that is going to tell people which supplements they can use to sleep, the good beds that they can use to sleep, and maybe books that they can read to help them get a better sleep. So I hope you get the idea where we are going to combine these three products, and we are going to make money in three different ways using these three products. Yes, guys. So we are going to use these three products, and how are we going to promote them? After you've signed up for the affiliate programs, all these products have affiliate programs, and all you need is an email address and a password to sign up. It's not difficult. And when you also send people to Simraj, they are going to give you a commission for free for the people you've sent. And those people, when they sign up, they'll even increase more commission to give you. Yes, guys. So what we are going to do, how are we going to market these products? We are going to market them using a blog. And where we are going to put our blogs, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to create your own website or a blog. There is this website which is called Medium, and Medium is a website where people come and write about different things. And the good thing about Medium is that they already have their traffic. Yes, even if you don't drive traffic, you have chances that your blog is going to rank on Medium and Google. And when your blog ranks on Google, that is good for you. And you can do the same thing here, be putting your blogs, and Medium will be promoting them for you. And the good thing about Medium, if you've subscribed to them and you read their blogs, every day they will be sending you blogs that you are interested in. Like, they are always promoting other people's blogs on this platform. So this is where we are going to put our blog, and we are going to write it here. And also, signing up for Medium is for free. You sign up with an email address, and you start earning right away. Email address and the password. Yes, guys, I already said that any place you want to sign up, you will need an email address and a password always. Yes, you can do that. So what we are going to do, we are going to come to our other friend, and that's ChatGPT. Yes, we are going to come here at ChatGPT and write in a prompt so that he can help us write this blog with even us without writing it. And what we are going to do, just go ahead, edit this blog. After editing it, then you just go ahead and post it on Medium, and people can start purchasing our products, and we earn an affiliate commission. You can do it with any product you want, or if you are promoting things from the kitchen, you combine them, put them in a blog, post it, and when people read that blog, they are going to click on your affiliate link and buy what they are reading about. But here we want to help people with their businesses. Like, you are watching this video, you want to learn more about make money online, then a person, if wants to promote their products to rank higher, they need SEO, and these things are going to help them. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to write for us a prompt. You can use any prompt you want, but this is the prompt that I'm going to use. I've written here, say, write me an article promoting Simraj, Audible, Fiverr, including the benefits and encouraging readers to sign up using the links. And I've told ChatGPT to write me an article of 2,000 words. Or if you are promoting other products, you can put like write an article promoting maybe a coffee and a coffee cup and a coffee table. Yes, I'm giving you examples, guys. So I'm going to press you on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to start writing that article for me right away. As you can see, it has started writing, and this is here how it's going to write everything. So when it finishes writing everything, then I'll just go ahead, copy this, go and edit it a little bit if I want to edit it. Yes, but if you've installed tools like Grammarly on your computer, so when you are posting something, they'll be checking and showing you the errors that you've made, and they will be helping you to collect your article or blog. Yes, so also Grammarly is for free. You can go ahead and sign it and download it and put it on your laptop in your Google Chrome. So it will be helping you to start collecting any mistakes that you put in the blog. AI can't be perfect like a human person. So that's how our blog is going to look like. Yes, but because of time, I'll just copy this. But if you have time, you can just go ahead and edit it and put in your own touch. But because of time, I don't want this to get longer. So I just click here in the corner and copy this article. Then I come on Medium. If you've already opened an account, then I come here and click where it says write. When I click where it says write, then I'm just going to go ahead and put in my article. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my article that I've written, or the blog that you've written. You are just going to put it here. You just click here and you paste it, and the article will come here. Then you are supposed to remove all these hashtags that ChatGPT has put in for you, so that you make your article look clean, and that a person who is reading this article, they can know that it's written by a professional and by a human being. So I'm going to copy this and put it up here as our heading also, so that it gives our article a vibrant and a good look. You will remove all these hashtags, and when that is finished, we are going to go to our products that we are going to promote, then get those links and put them, so that when a person reads, they are going to click on our links and sign up. Yes, guys, as I told you, I already have an Amazon Associate account. So I'm just going to log into my Amazon Associate account. Then I'll get the link to Audible. Signing up with Amazon Associate account is not difficult. Yes, and you will start earning right away. You start earning right away if you sign in using your email and that. So I'm going to type in here where it says Audible. Then I'll copy the link that Amazon is going to give me for Audible. Then I'll put it in my then I'll put it in my article, so that people can start you can start using it, so to buy something. Yes, they can start using it to purchase products from that link that I have provided for them. Yes, using that. And you go do the same thing. You open up an account with Fiverr for affiliate marketing, and when you open that account, in that dashboard, they are going to give you a link that you are going to be using to promote this Fiverr account, and people will be buying. So when I get my link here, I'm just going to copy this link. So I finish copying it. I'm going to come and put it in my article that I have written here on Medium. So if you see here, like where it says what is Audible, then you can paste in your link there. Yes, you can paste in your link there, and your link will be there. As you see, if I click there, I can see my link. So if people want to buy, they'll just click on that link. So guys, that's how you are going to go about that. That's how you are going to go about that. Put in all the links, the link from Simraj that they have given you for affiliate marketing, the link they have given you for Fiverr. Then you go ahead and be pasting all those links inside this blog article. And when you finish, when your blog is nice and neat and everything is clean, then you just go ahead here and click on publish, and your blog will be live. Then another trick, guys, I want to show you. You can also go ahead and create Pinterest pins and be driving traffic to this your blog that you've created. I've made a video about Pinterest marketing, then you can go ahead and watch that. It's also about affiliate marketing. It will give you more tips and more insights about what I've been teaching you guys. So that's how you're going to make money using Google and these products and promoting them. And when you rank high on Google, that means more sales for you. Yes, guys. And if you are also a YouTuber like me, you can also include in videos in your articles, so that you can be also driving traffic from Medium also to your YouTube, and that's going to help you grow in different ways. So guys, that's what I had for you. Don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't forget to put in the comment section below, so that I can help you. Yes, guys, see you in the next one. So see you in the next